Welcome back. Many of my vegetarian friends have asked me for a keto vegetarian bread, or some have asked me for almond bread without egg. This bread that I have baked right now doesn't have any eggs and requires only 4 ingredients and very little baking time. This bread turns out excellent and very tasty. Just look at the color. Just keep watching my video and I will tell you how to make this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Now here I'm going to take the shredded mozzarella cheese, to that I'm going to add in the cream cheese. This is 1 tablespoon of cream cheese. Now this is going to be melted in the microwave for about 30 to 40 seconds. It has to melt. Now in the meantime, I'm going to mix in the dry ingredients. That's almond flour, 1 cup of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now I'm going to add in just a pinch of salt, that's optional, and some black pepper. This is again optional. Mix it well and remove all the lumps. Now this I've taken out the mozzarella cheese. It's melted well. Just see how soft it has become. This is going to act like gluten for our almond flour. Now add in the almond flour mixture. And combine everything together so that it forms a dough. This takes a little while as it has to stick, the almond flour has to stick to the mozzarella cheese. I think working with hands is better. Now I'm going to form equal size dough balls. So just make it into a log and cut into equal size portions. Now form them into balls. You can make them into any shape. But I'm just making round. Now in this 1 cup of almond flour, I have got about 6 rolls. Now bake them in the oven for 375 for 18 minutes. After about 18 minutes, they are looking golden brown. They've got a beautiful hard crust. So put them on a cooling rack and leave them for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once they're done, I'm going to cut them. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? It's beautiful. The texture is just like a bread consistency. Now I'm going to add a slice. I'm just going to serve this. Whatever I have on hand, I have some basil leaves, then tomato slice, some Italian seasoning, and some olive oil. I have some mozzarella cheese. I'm going to add that on top. Drizzling some more olive oil on it. You can add balsamic vinegar as well. Look at that. This is so delicious. Now I've made some of them on the side and kept. Now I'm going to make a bruschetta. So in some chopped tomatoes, I'm adding in some salt, some Italian seasoning, some pepper. You can also add balsamic vinegar here. I personally don't like, so I'm just going to add extra helping of olive oil. Mix it all together. You can even add crushed garlic, that tastes good as well. Now spoon it on the bread, pour some olive oil, some flavored olive oil, and top it with some mozzarella. This is so yummy and so delicious. Look at that. I really hope you enjoyed watching the recipe. It is so simple, so easy. Definitely try it out. I have made a bruschetta today, but you can use anything you want inside. You can use grilled mushrooms, grilled paneer. You can make a little veggie patty and make it a vegetable burger. It's completely on your imagination. But definitely let me know. I would love to hear what you made. And if you have any requests, send me a message in the comment section and I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.